My name is Kenny Hulme. I'm a dentist. I work in general practice in Lincoln and I also work at Lincoln County Hospital. So when people said, why do you want to be a dentist? Golly, a dentist must be a really boring job. All you do is look at people's teeth all day long. And they miss the point. The point is you're dealing with people. And people are interesting, people are varied, and the one thing they aren't is boring. You're dealing with all sorts of age groups. You're dealing with the very young, the very old, and everything in between. And also you're dealing with people's personalities. People come to a dentist, they're often very nervous. It's up to you to settle them, to make them less nervous. People often sort of say, oh, I hate going to the dentist. And really, if you can convince them otherwise by what you do, you've got that patient for life. Dentistry is a combination of a lot of things. It's hands-on. You have to have good technical skills. Dentistry gives you a lot of scope in what you can do. You don't necessarily need to work in general practice. You can work in the hospital environment. You can work in community service. So what makes a good dentist? Well, you have to be a good communicator. You have to have empathy. You have to have empathy with your patients and understand them. You're part of a team. You work with dental nurses. I've worked with my own nurse for 33 years now, non-stop. I've been in Lincoln 40 years. So you have to have a bit of stamina along the way. Dentistry is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You have the chance to be self-employed. So from a work-life balance, to a certain extent, you can choose what you want to do. So you don't necessarily need to work 5 days a week. You can work part-time. Dentistry gives you that scope. The lovely thing about dentistry, however, is that you can make life changes for your patients that you look after. Whether it's fitting a beautiful front crown or someone who's got sticking out teeth or crowded teeth and changing their smile, that smile is for life. And what makes good impressions? The first 5 seconds. If someone comes in for a job interview, let's say, with a beautiful smile that you've created, how nice is that for that person? The lovely thing about being a dentist is still, by and large, people appreciate you for what you do for them. I feel very fortunate to have chosen the career that I have chosen. I've worked as a dentist for over 40 years. I still enjoy it. I still go to work and enjoy what I do.